Yay! Woo-hoo! We're going home. It is a great day to have a day. The temperature is around 90 degrees right now. We are on the way to pick up Noah, and we're going to do a little bit of fishing up in the Helen area. We are going to stop at Walmart, grab some gas, some the goods for some PB&Js for a little midday snack. So we're going to drive up there, fish the rest of the day as long as we can until it gets dark, and hopefully catch some fish.
Yes, sir. Double hatting it. Classic.
We're gonna go to Walmart.
Yeah, sounds
The motherland, Walmart. We get crunchy peanut butter here. Extra crunchy.
Concord grape?
Don't they have it in the squeeze bottles? I think it'd be pretty easy.
Yeah, right here.
Do they have the off-brand?
Strawberry?
Yeah, that works. Support your local Walmarts. We made it. The private property epidemic is insane. Past about 3 miles of pristine fishing water, and it was all private. So I'm not taking any risks of getting sued for trespassing, but we found some public, so we're gonna get geared up and then hop on out there.
What are these bad boys?
Nippers. They are just a pair of nail clippers. So we're gonna put you on just an indicator setup here. So this is your indicator. This is your indicator. It's like a bobber. Odds are you're gonna have to adjust, readjust, and stuff like that. All you have to do is just screw it. But just unscrew it a little bit, and then you should be able to just move it. Whenever this thing goes down, even if you think your fly's just caught on a rock or a stick or something like that, just go ahead and set that up. If they see anything that looks buggy in the slightest, or like kind of funky, like this pink prince nymph, they're probably gonna eat it. They're probably gonna eat it. If they don't, then they outsmarted you.
They're lost.
Yeah, they're lost. This is a delicious meal. Delicious metal and feather meal.
Thanks, man. Bro, you just know way too much terminology. That's a stonefly.
That's a peckled water otter.
Alrighty, here you go.
Dude, it's been freaking 30 seconds.
Shh. You haven't stuck on something?
Yes.
Take all this. Okay.
The goal today is to fish a lot of water. Like if a fish isn't biting within the first 5 or 6 casts, move on to the next spot.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw him.
That was one.
There's a little bit of a fish sighting. Darting back and forth. No bites, but we're getting there.
Oh, that was a bite and a half. All right. If you go untangle mine, I will go untangle yours. It's just hooked on the. It's just hooked on the log. You just set that down and fix it. Tie up a new thingamabobber. Noah got himself tangled. We're gonna tie on a dry fly for him though. I had a couple bites on my chubby, so we'll get a chubby on him for him as well. We got an absolute beast of a run here. If I don't catch anything, then I'm quitting. I'm done. Holy cow, that's a fish. Big fish too. Not big, but... Oh, there we go! Wow, holy cow, look at the colors on that thing. That is beautiful. Yeah. Here, come here. Oh, that's a brown. Nice.
Wow, these are some big fish in here.
You see it?
Uh-huh. Like, they're just like in the middle.
Right there.
Oh,
There you go.
that
That's
was a
perfect.
good cast. Oh, shit, I got a bite. That's why I did that.
That's good. No, that was a good
Sorry.
idea. That's a good idea.
I'll have to undo that.
It is so dark.
Huh?
It is so dark. Oh, what the heck? Decided to rain. You kidding me? I mean, this river just looks so freaking good, and then it just isn't.
I mean, you caught a fish.
We saw so many.
Yeah, no, we did.
What in the world? We'll wait it out. I don't know how much more light we have.
I just don't feel like the sun's gonna.
No, the sun definitely will not come out. And after slipping, you know, balls deep, I'm frustrated. And this freaking line, all these lines getting tangled every which way. And now my Birkenstocks are soaked too. This is awesome. This is great. What a good day.
What were you gonna say? Revving the engine like it's gonna.
Yeah,
help the charger.
No, the AC isn't working, so I'm revving the engine to get the car to make the AC colder. We're having PB&Js now. It started pouring. It's 4:49 right now, and it got dark really quick. Those clouds rolled in. So hopefully this rain stops by the time we finish eating. And then, yeah, get back out there.
Dude, Nick, there's a super bad thunderstorm in Athens right now.
Holy cow.
I really hope you guys get in okay.
How bad is it?
Dude, it's, I think my car just got blown over.
Holy. Golly, this is nuts. Alright, cool. Thanks a lot.
Clickbait right there.
Alright, we got it. We're good. We got good content. Good content.